going out anywhere, talking to people, just interacting. You become self-conscious. I'm Penny Gracom, and I'm here to get my implants and a new set of teeth.
So Penny's a great situation where she was in need of some stability. She had had a lot of dentistry done over her lifetime, and typically when you're constantly reworking teeth, you're going to run into a situation where it's just not working anymore. And so for us, that's really exciting because we can take Penny from a place of instability and get her stable.
I don't like pictures. I mean, everybody wants pictures, and I'm like, I'm excited because I can come in, have everything done. The best part, they can print out teeth today, and I can actually go home with teeth and not, go home with the gummy look, not feel, self-conscious anymore. You can't put price on that.
Dental implants fixed to a set of teeth is really the most stable situation for her going forward. It's going to give her the most predictable outcome. It's going to be the easiest to maintain. We were able to remove the teeth that were problematic, place implants, and get her that same day 3D printed set of teeth. And she's going to be able to go back to chewing and eating what she wants without that much worry about any sort of problems like she has been for the last several decades.
Oh, nice.
I am 100% thrilled with the smile, the feel, the look. I don't think I could ask for anything more perfect. I really am very, very, very happy with it. So I highly recommend Dr. Parker, everything here. I've 100% had a great experience. I'm very, very pleased and very grateful.
So for Penny, she's so sweet and she just wants to live her life, right? And it's just been such a pleasure working with her.